Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you two journals that I've made, and I've made these using ARTYmaze's new kit, and it's called Floral Collage, and there's normal journal size and there is a traveller's notebook size. So I've made the traveller's notebook size because that's my favourite go-to size of journal. Lovely papers. I will link ARTYmaze below so you can go over and check her website out and her Etsy store. So yeah, one I've named Timeless and the other one I've named Journal. They both measure 8 1/4 by 4 1/2 and they both have 80 pages front and back, and they will both be listed in my shop if you're interested. So I'm going to show you this one first. That is the back. Love this paper, it's ever so pretty, and I've sewn it onto some white cardstock, done some layering, got an image from the kit and butterflies, some bling, the word Timeless. I've still got a croaky voice. Allergies are really bad at the moment, which isn't helping. So this is the inside cover. Sorry, the first page. These papers are all, like I said, they're all collaged, so there's just so much going on in them and they're so pretty. We have a pocket here. You get some background papers with the kit as well, so I've used them to do some pockets, and I've also used some to make these little clusters. So there's a cluster on there, and then there's some stamping. There is journaling cards from the kit and a tag which has been sewn onto some coffee dyed paper, and they just pop inside there. We have a doily, some edge punching, paper bag. There is a little envelope that's attached to that page. There's nothing in the envelope. And then on this side we just have some vintage digital French ephemera from the old design shop, and I've done it so it's got the raggedy edges, and that pops on there, and it scoots up a little bit more. It doesn't want to. There we go. Some lined paper, lots of journaling space, page from the kit. Got a pocket and a tag here, a doily. This is a large tag from the kit, so I've just popped that in there. Got another pocket from the kit and a tag from the kit. Postcard, another tag, and then these little squares, I've just made little booklets with them. Another paper bag, and here we have some more French ephemera. That's just paper clipped on, and then this is an envelope with a double journaling card inside. And that pops on there. Centre of signature. Another envelope here, and another French letter which is upside down, so that pops on there. Other side of the paper bag, some edge punching, a doily, another pocket with a cluster on here, and we have another postcard here, or journaling card, another journaling card and a tag. Another pocket with a tag. I love these flowers, they're really pretty. Another piece of French ephemera. So you can find that on the old design shop. Oops, another pocket from the kit. This is a double journaling card there, a postcard, a tag, and another little booklet. So that all just pops in. And that is the back page. So that is that one. Needed another drink then. That's the cardstock. Some layering image from the kit. Some bling butterfly. Same amount of pages in this one, 80 front and back. And I'll just do a quick flip because it's very similar to that one, just things are run a different way in this one. Another cluster, double journaling card, postcard and a tag. A doily, paper bag. There's another little envelope with some ephemera on there. It's just the same ephemera it was on the other one. Another pocket with the tag. Another large tag. Another pocket. And in the pocket we have a journaling card, large tag, another journaling card, tag, and a little booklet. Now with the larger kit you get the CD cases, and there is a lot to this kit. So yeah, please go over and check it out. Another envelope here, double journaling card in there like the other one, and again this is just some printable French ephemera. Another envelope with some more ephemera. Oops, that goes that way. Paper bag. Another cluster on this pocket. Postcard, a journal card, and a tag. Love them flowers as well. The other side of that large tag. Another pocket with the tag. Another piece of ephemera. Paper bag. This is slipping around all over the place. Here we have a journal card, a tag, and another little booklet. So that is that one. So that is both the journals. Like I said, this is a kit from ARTYmaze called Floral Collage, and these will be listed in my shop. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.